everyone! Today we are going to play yes or no game. Using verb to do.
Do fish live in the sea? Yes, they do. Does it rain sweets? No, it doesn't. Do cows eat hot dogs? No, they don't. Does a fish close its eyes? No, it doesn't. Do pigs fly? No, they don't. Does a cheetah run fast? Yes, it does. Do monkeys eat bananas? Yes, they do. Does bread grow on trees? No, it doesn't. Does the sun shine at night? No, it doesn't. Do dogs eat bones? Yes, they do. Does she ride a horse? Yes, she does. Does it walk fast? No, it doesn't.